ngangan siang luikam udai nagasnong urkhul bahab haga district Manipur batre kum Indian Forest Service officer kabat sijong usnam ahja arapulai ubaladon kumbasan pusnam ia ubabat kum chief conservation of forest jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ubalashim jaga jingim lajong ha tyllai phasi menta kasni ka khalai tarik ulber ahja arapusau hagapor nyu chitang mun step haga jakasa jong u kabadon hajan Ledikan College tat haduk menta bapmi yakane khobor yakamet jong u ne u he officer karangdon ha civil hostel shillong nak banta monla yak post mortem.
I had the opportunity to work with late Balwikam in different capacities, and very often, I must tell you this, very often the Chief Secretary and I used to have a lot of discussion about the Forest Department, and his name is one name that used to always shine as a person who was very, very efficient and very committed to what he used to do. And I must say it sounds very difficult at this point to say this, and I'm sure Chief Secretary will recollect those moments when we were literally working and planning on giving him many, many more responsibilities. And it was a shocking moment, as I said, in the morning when we heard the news. And I really don't have any words to say right now. This is a very heavy moment for all of us, and I'm sure it is even a much more difficult moment for the family. And I don't think there's anything that I can say or anybody can say today that would bring any kind of consolation to their hearts and be able to really go through this very, very difficult moment. So, madam, I really don't know. I'm wordless. I mean, I don't have any words to say. And also on behalf of the entire Forest Department, that we have really lost somebody very, very important to us. I'm sure that the loss to you is even more, and something that I don't think anybody, any words or any deeds can replace. But even for us as a government and even as an official, the contributions he made is something that will be something that we will really miss in one sense. And the kind of, as I said, the work that we felt that he was capable of doing and he was doing is something that will be of a great loss to the state government. But as I said, that in these difficult times, all I can say is we as a government, as soon as we heard this, I was in Garo Hills this morning. I left by helicopter and I immediately rushed back to Shillong when I got this news, and I tried to be here on time for this particular prayer meeting. And as I said, that it's a very difficult moment, and I have no words to really say, or anything that I say will make any difference in one sense. But as I said, all I can say is that we are all there in every way possible to support you and your family in these very, very difficult times.